Hey everybody, so we're going to be doing a nice Monday flow. So we'll just kind of warm up our bodies, kind of flowing through our sequence, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. So we're just going to be on our hands and knees, making a circle through our wrists, going clockwise. Take a deep breath in and out, pushing firmly through the palms of your hands, and then switch direction. It's been rainy over here in Georgia, and it's still raining out there. So you might find yourselves a little bit stiffer than you're used to being. And come onto hands and knees. And let's sink our belly and gaze up. And then exhale, tuck your tailbone, pressing firmly through the palms of your hands, rounding out your back. Inhale up. And exhale, tuck and scoop. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Tuck your toes down. Lift your hips up. And gently alternate, sinking your heels side by side. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Work to keep the heels down firmly. And if you can, feel free to keep your knees bent. Work towards getting your heels down. And just sway your hips side to side. Get a good stretch in your low back. And take a deep breath in. Gaze forward, right foot forward, and left. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold, bend your knees, and grab a hold of the opposite hand to the opposite elbow. Allow your spine to just decompress. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Palms down by your feet. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold, and we're going to roll our spine all the way up. Inhale, sweep your arms up overhead. Exhale, fold, bending your knees slightly. Inhale, pull up and out, left foot back, and bring your left knee down and come all the way up and down. Hinge back, toes up, and stretching the back side of the right leg, coming forward, palms on either side, right foot back, bend your knees down and pull up. And sink your hips to your heels, tuck your toes, and lift your hips, down dog, and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gaze forward, left foot forward, and right. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend your knees, grab opposite elbow, opposite hand, and just drape over your legs. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Allow your hands to drape down and roll your spine all the way up. Raise your arms up overhead. Bend your knees. Fold forward. This time, let's go ahead and bring your right foot back and right knee down. Lift up. And hands down by your left foot, hinging back, stretching the back side of the left leg now, and breathe. And come forward, hands on either side of the left foot, and go down, knees down, protecting your back. Pull up, really engage your core, lift up, and sink your hips back. And lift your knees and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right foot forward and left. Sink your hips all the way down and come all the way back onto your back. Let me remove my amplifier. Sink all the way back on your back. Lift your feet straight up toward the ceiling. Heels together, toes apart. Bring your both arms down. Press down onto the mat and tiny little pull-ups and tucking your tailbone up toward the ceiling. As you can see, there's barely any movement. You're going to exhale, lift the tailbone up and down. Less is more here. The less I can see you move your legs, the better contraction you'll get. I don't want you to do this, but I want you to be very subtle about how you press up and back, and it's pretty intense if done properly. You should feel your low abs tightening, and breathe for 5, 4, 3, and make sure you're not pooching things out, that you're always pressing the navel down toward the spine, flattening, and back. Bring your knees up toward your chest. Let's cross your right ankle over the left. Thread your arms through your legs and pull the left knee towards your chest, and take a deep breath in and exhale. And take a deep breath in and exhale, and switch. Left ankle on top of the right knee. Pull the right knee up toward your chest. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Lower both feet down. And let's just sway our knees to left side and right. And go left and right. And go left and right. And inhale up, lift up high, and bend slightly over to the right side, keeping both sides of the spine nice and long, and come back and lift up and bend over to the left side, gazing up toward the ceiling, and bring your arms down by your side. Lift your right arm up, bend over to the left, and come back. Left arm up, and bend over to the right and back. Let's straighten out the right leg, sitting up nice and tall. Bring your left heel to your pubic bone, sitting up nice and tall. We're going to twist over to the left side and gently bend your left elbow down. Lift your left arm up overhead. Reach toward the right foot, pulling away from the left hip. You should be feeling this intense stretch on the left side of your torso. Breathe into that side of your torso and exhale. Inhale, lift, and exhale. Come all the way up, switching sides. Extend the left leg and bring your right heel into the pubic bone, sitting up nice and tall. Twist over to the left side and gently lower your left elbow down onto the floor, lifting your right arm up, this time stretching away from the right hip. Take a deep breath into the right side of your torso and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Come all the way up. Loosely sit. Inhale your arms up overhead and exhale. Inhale up and exhale. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I'll return with more next week.